Hi, our question is a tightly stretched string with fixed endpoints x equal to 0 and x equal to l is initially in a position given by 0 sine cube pi x by l, that is initial position. If it is released from rest means initial velocity is 0. From this position, find displacement y of x comma t in terms of Fourier coefficients of f of x. First write the displacement y of x comma t of a wave equation is the displacement function y of x comma t is the solution of the wave equation dou square y by dou t square equal to a square into dou square y by dou x square. Put it as equation number 1. Here the displacement function y of x comma t is the solution of this wave equation. Put this equation as equation number 1. Then write the 4 boundary conditions. The boundary conditions are, boundary condition 1 is y of initial displacement is 0. That is y of 0 comma t equal to 0 for all t. That is y of x comma t is the displacement function. Y of 0 comma t means when x equal to 0. That is initial displacement is 0. Then second boundary condition is final displacement y of l comma t equal to 0 for all t. Here initial displacement is 0 and final displacement is also 0. That is when x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and when x equal to l, y equal to 0. Then dou y by dou t at x comma 0. That is initial velocity is g of x. Initial velocity is g of x. But in this question, initial velocity is given as, since it is released from rest, it means initial velocity is 0. That is the velocity dou y by dou t at time 0 is g of x. But it is in the question it is 0. Then fourth boundary condition is y of x comma 0 equal to f of x equal to our function y0 sine cube pi x by l. Here at time 0 the displacement y equal to f of x, that is given in the question y0 sine cube pi x by l. Here solution of the wave equation is of the form y of x comma t equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an sin n by x by l cos n by at by l plus bn sin n by x by l sin n by at by l, where an equal to 2 by l integral 0 to l f of x sin n by x by l dx and bn equal to 2 by n by a integral 0 to l g of x sin n by x by l dx. But third boundary condition says that g of x equal to 0. Therefore, bn is 0. Therefore, our solution only contains the term of an. This term only. Y of x comma t equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an sin n by x by l cos n by at by l, where an equal to 2 by l integral 0 to l f of x sin n by x by l dx. Because initial velocity is 0, in the question it is given as it is released from rest. That means that initial velocity is 0, therefore g of x is 0, therefore bn is 0. Therefore, y of x comma t contain an terms only. Therefore, formula for an is 2 by l integral 0 to l f of x sin n by x by l dx. Here 2 by l integral 0 to L f of x is by 0 sine cube pi x by L sine n pi x by L dx. This y0 is a constant, therefore it can be taken outside. 2y0 by L, integral 0 to L. What about sine cube theta? Sine cube theta is our sine cube theta is 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta by 4. By 4. This 4 can be taken outside. y0 by 2L, integral 0 to L. 3 can be taken outside. Sine pi x by L into sine n pi x by L dx minus integral sine 3 pi x by L sine n pi x by L dx. This can be separated into two integrals. Also we know that a formula is integral 0 to we have a formula like this, integral 0 to L sine m pi x by L sine n pi x by L dx. The value of it is 0 if m and n are not equal. If m and n are equal, then value of it is L by 2. Here, by putting n as 1, we get a1. a1 equal to 3 by 0 by 2n. Here, by putting n equal to 1, sin pi x by L and sin pi x by L. Therefore, these two terms are equal. Therefore, the value of this integral is L by 2 into L by 2. That is 3 by 0 by 4. Then by putting n equal to 2, a2 equal to here sin pi x by L and sin 2 pi x by L. That is these two values are not equal. Also by putting n equal to 2, sin 3 pi x by L and sin 2 pi x by L, these two values are not equal. Therefore integral of this is 0. Therefore a2 equal to 0. By calculating a3, here sin pi x by L and sin 3 pi x by L. Here these two values are not equal. Therefore integral of this is 0. By putting n equal to 3, sin 3 pi x by L, sin 3 pi x by L. These two are equal. Therefore minus L by 2. 2 by 0 by 2L into minus L by 2. That is minus y0 by 4. a1 equal to 3 y0 by 4, a2 equal to 0, a3 equal to minus y0 by 4. All other values are equal to 0. That is a4 equal to a5 equal to a6 equal to etc. up to equal to 0. Only a1 and a3 have values. All other values are equal to 0. Then our solution is y of x comma t equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an sin n by x by L cos n by at by L. By explaining this as first putting 1 a1 sin pi x by L cos pi at by L plus second function a2 sin 2 pi x by L cos 2 pi at by L plus a3 sin 3 pi x by L cos 3 pi at by L plus a4 sin 4 pi x by L cos 4 pi at by L plus etc. Here we have values for A1 and A3. Substitute these values in this equation. We get y of x comma t equal to A1 is 3 by 0 by 4 sin pi x by L cos pi at by L. Then A3 is minus y0 by 4 minus y0 by 4 sin 3 pi x by L cos 3 pi at by L. Here we get the solution of our wave equation.